Hi! Welcome back to another exciting recipe of our Christmas series 2022. Today we'll be making...
Hey, what are you doing? This is my show.
I've taken over.
Today me and my sister will be making
Gingerbread cookies.
gingerbread cookies? No, let's make a gingerbread house.
That's what I'm here for.
Today I'll be sharing how to make an amazing recipe for gingerbread house. So let's get into it.
Woohoo! So let's get started with the dough.
We'll start by taking butter and we'll add in sugars. Muscovado sugar
And jaggery powder.
and we'll give it a whisk.
So now we'll add in our dry ingredients. All-purpose flour,
Whole wheat flour, and we'll add in some spices, nutmeg powder and cinnamon powder,
ginger powder and ground cloves. And finally some baking powder and baking soda.
and we'll give it a mix. We need a sandy texture, so for that we'll be using a hand mixer with dough hooks. Now we'll add in milk 1 tablespoon at a time.
And I'll continue mixing it. Oh, and we'll add some vanilla. Now that our dough is ready, we'll wrap it up in some cling film.
Now we'll keep our dough in the fridge for 30 minutes to let it set. Now that it has been half an hour, let's take it out of the fridge.
Now we'll unwrap this beautiful dough.
And we'll roll it.
Now to cut out shapes for our gingerbread house, we have taken some stencils.
Link for these is in the description below. Now we'll shift our cookies to a lined baking tray. Now we'll pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Hear that? It is done! Ta-da!
It's time to bake our second batch. Now we'll make our royal icing
For that, we'll take sugar
and add in Aquafaba
and vanilla essence.
We'll mix it with the spatula.
And now we'll beat it until it's smooth and glossy. With all the parts finally ready,
It's time to build the gingerbread house.
this house looks so amazing. I don't want to destroy it.
But I wanna eat it so bad. It looks so tasty.
Well, why don't you try this gingerbread man?
Oh, thanks. Mmm.
Is it delicious?
It's so good.
I want to try. Mmm.
These delicious gingerbread cookies are so amazing and perfect for Christmas.
I really hope you try it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this.
Thank you.